Hey guys, what's up? The parts for the new gun should be here any day now. I've got a little bit of spare time on my hands, and my son wanted me to get out the old train set for Christmas time. And I haven't played with this thing in probably 35 years, and I got it out and it needs a new cord. And if we can't get the train set to work, I'm sure I could use this to get information out of people. So I'm going to show you another trick to getting the tracks clean. You can pretty much use it to get any metal clean in a hurry. Well, we've now got a new cord on it, plugged it up, and it does hum. I'll show you that. Let's see what the whistle sounds like. Very cool. Now, when I was working on this, I got to thinking about all of the billions of people a long time ago who would spend the entire winter in their bomb shelter playing with these things. And, it kind of brought me back to a different age, just looking at each screw and things like that. Now, I don't have a good way of testing this thing. I left my voltmeter at home, so I really won't even know if I can kill frogs with it until I can get home. So I'll see you guys there. And just like that, we are home. What I have here is the model train track. I think that's HO gauge, not really sure, don't remember. And a bucket of some muriatic acid. Muriatic, not really sure how you say it. But it looks kind of nasty because I've used it for cleaning other stuff. I haven't been using it to get rid of evidence or anything like that. So we can see this is pretty nasty. So let's just put it in here and see how it does. Now, if you're doing this to clean metal, you want to be careful on how long you leave it in there, because depending on how long you leave it in there, it'll move right on from the corrosion to the bare metal itself. And let's just take a look at it since it's not really bubbling anymore. And there you go. It does not take long for certain things. Alright, I don't know where we left off. My SD card filled up while I was recording, but it hasn't really been that.
What are you doing?
I've been working on the railroad. Whew, that was close. But anyway, yeah, this stuff is very caustic, so if you're going to be fooling around with it, you should probably be wearing gloves like I am. And yeah, it won't eat through plastic, but it'll go right through skin, concrete, and clothes, anything like that. So just be really careful. Now I'm gonna have to rinse this stuff off when I'm done with the acid bath. And I believe it's you don't add water to acid, but you can add acid to water. I don't really remember, but I'll find out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Later.